Trelawny man found dead of suspected drowning in community pond. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. The Trelawny police do not suspect foul play in relation to the death of a man whose body was fished from a pond in the community last week. The deceased has been identified as 18-year-old laborer Ricardo Warren of Cockburn Pen, Clarkstown, Trelawny. Reports are that about 3:30 p.m. residents spotted a pair of water boots, a pair of blue jeans pants, and a blue shirt at the edge of the pond, in which Warren was believed to have been either fishing or swimming. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, the body was seen floating in the pond. As a result of this, the Jamaica Defense Force personnel were summoned, and they responded with a team of divers who searched the pond and recovered the body. The body was removed to the morgue for a post-mortem examination. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.